Hello, people. My name is Mr. Reporter.
My name is Mr. Trash Can.
My name is Mr. Recycle.
And my name is Mr. Clean Sweep.
And we have a big problem here. The rainforest is being cut down.
That is not good at all.
So we should save the rainforest?
Yeah, we can. We only need to get more trees, and the trees are being cut down, and there are not and things are not getting recycled like fake trees.
That is not good. We should recycle everything and plant stuff.
And we should plant some trees.
And we should also make the trees healthy so we can have more fruit.
Yeah, and it's going to grow because it just rained. Oops, not you.
And it gives us nutrients and medicine, which is great.
And it can even give us air. Every tree can make one person live about 18 more years.
We should help the rainforest and make sure there's more trees. And that tree should be the tallest tree in the world.
No, it isn't. In the rainforest, they grow over 200 feet tall.
Bye.
Bye.